Welcome to XIOHOO Quick Tips. Price Kaki app allows you to make a price comparison on groceries, household items and hawker food all in one app. You can get the latest update when the price changes or earn rewards as well. Tap on Price Kaki app. There are 5 features below. Tap Home. These are the items for you to choose. Swipe left to view the other items. Tap on the eggs to view different egg brands with different prices. You can filter and sort listing by price, distance and supermarket. Scroll down to see more egg products below. Tap on the egg product. You can see the product prices in different supermarket areas. Some supermarkets sell at a cheaper price. Scroll down to view other similar products. Tap the arrow at the top left twice to return to home page. Tap on the hawker food to view different food options that are available here. Let's check out the comparison. Tap on Indian. You can see a variety of food and drinks. Tap on curry fish head. There are different prices from different shops as well. Tap the arrow twice at the top left to go back. Tap on the search bar. You can search any particular item. Type in chicken rice to see the other range of foods available. Tap on Nearby at the bottom of the screen to locate nearby supermarkets near you. Tap on the supermarket to locate the nearest market in your area. Tap See All Outlets to view the locations in Singapore. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on facebook.com/XIOHOO and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.